Hello my dear VLSI aspirants, welcome to Deep Silicon VLSI YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the minimized Boolean expression for the given design requirement. Okay, let's dive into the question number 19. For the truth table given in figure, the minimized Boolean expression is, guys, this is the truth table. They have given the requirements in terms of truth table, right? Now, as per this truth table, what is a minimized expression we want to find out? It's very simple. Just map into K-map and get it. That's it. Now, as it is a 3-variable K-map, let's consider a 3-variable K-map. Right. Therefore, we get the expression, we get the mapping in this way. It's X, Y, Z. This is X bar, X, Y bar, Z bar, Y bar, Z, Y, Z, Y, Z bar. Now guys, see here, it is 0, it is 2, 4, it is 5, and it is 6. Midterm 0, it is 3, 5, 6. 0, 3, 5, 6 is the minterms. Fine. If you take them here 0, 1, 2, 3. Again 4, 5, 6, 7. This one, guys, can we minimize this? No, you cannot minimize, because it is already in the minimized form. You cannot minimize further. That's the twist in this particular question. That's the reason I have given you the options to you, right? Easily, if it is the question, you people can write this one, this. But here options are there. You need to choose the correct option. How? So here you cannot minimize further. That's leave it. This. Now, if you write the expression, then it is output P is equals to X bar, Y bar, Z bar, X bar, Y, Z, X, Y bar, Z, X, Y, Z bar. This one, guys, is this in the options? No. Then how you can do that? We need to rearrange the terms. Remember, guys, here we are not doing any optimization, but we are rearranging the terms in such a way that you will land into any one of the option. Yes, that's what our motto in this particular question. Now you see, guys, here X bar is common. Let's take X bar. It is Y bar, Z bar plus YZ. Again, X common, Y bar, Z, YZ bar. Right. Now guys, here this can be written as X bar, Y bar, Z bar plus YZ. It is X NOR operation only now. Hence, why don't you write here Y XOR Z whole bar. You can write Y XOR Z also. Here we are taking as per the expression, because here we have Y XOR Z. Hence, it is like X into Y XOR Z. This one, guys. This is the one. Let's consider here Y XOR Z as lump sum S, Y XOR Z. Now guys, what is the expression? It is like X bar, S bar plus XS. It is a XNOR operation only, na? Hence, how you can write X XOR S whole bar, because that is XNOR only, na? Now what is S, guys? Y XOR Z. Hence you can write here P is equals to X XOR Y XOR Z whole bar. This one. See here guys. So as per the options, the right answer is option B. P is equals to X XOR Y XOR Z whole bar. This one guys. These kind of questions beyond our imaginations. We all think come on let's so do it. No. There are some questions in this model also. Okay guys, I hope you like the video. Please, thanks for watching, and please guys subscribe our YouTube channel Deep Silicon VLSI. Right? See you in the next video. This is Shivaram signing off. Jai Hind.